Hey everyone, how's it going? So in this tutorial I will be talking about an error or a problem that you can run into when working with components, mounting and unmounting. So first I'll show you the problem that I'm having. So I'm just working on this project for a client. It's a catalog, and what should happen is when I hover my mouse on one of these tiles, these cards, then I should get like variants. So if I just do it like quickly, there you go, you get the error. So it says can't perform a React state update on an unmounted component. So now I'm just going to do it nice and slow. So as you can see, these kind of color variants appear at the bottom. If you do too quickly, what happens is the component, this is a separate component, it mounts and unmounts too quickly, and the code doesn't get a chance to update it. I'll just show you in code what it looks like. So here I have the good design, and here I have the bad design. So in the bad design, what happens is we call this API to get the models from backend, and here we set the variance right here in this hook. But by the time this gets called, the component is already unmounted, and it will pretty much like it has nothing to update. So now what I'll do is comment this out, and we will look at the proper design or the good design. Right, so I'm just going to save it and go back. I'll just hit refresh, and let's just clear this. So now, as you can see, no matter what I do, I don't get the error. So how does it work? Well, I'm using this npm package called make cancelable, and it's nothing but it just keeps track of when the component gets mounted and unmounted, and it has a nice promise. So the trick is right here. When you return a function from useEffect, what happens is when the component unmounts, it will call this function, and in this function we just say, cancel that. Don't just update it. Don't do any updates, and that way we prevent that memory leak or whatever error you are getting. So in case you run into that issue, just install this npm package, make cancelable, and you can just do it this way. You could use that is mounted or local variable, but then you have to keep track of that variable in the array, and I guess you'll get that warning. So this is a clean design, and I hope it helps you guys. Yeah.